Did you know that there are waterfalls that freeze solid during certain times of year? This is Minnehaha Falls in Minneapolis, and on some years in January and February, when we have multiple days of sub-zero temperatures, the entire waterfall freezes. Now you might wonder, does it freeze starting at the bottom, starting from the top? It actually freezes along the whole thing because at the top, icicles start to form. And it continues freezing and freezing more water on top of those icicles. And at the bottom, this pile of ice starts forming higher and higher. And every time the waterfall freezes, it looks a little bit different each time. And you get these amazing long icicles all along the sides of the cliff. Normally during the winter, the waterfall keeps flowing even though there's snow and ice all around the sides of it. But when the weather is just right, we get to enjoy these amazing views of a large frozen waterfall.